At Next LED, we are extremely excited about our newest product offering in the EMC market. STAX is a modular system that allows any type of sign company to quickly and easily deploy digital sign solutions for the customers in their market. The unique modular design of STAX allows sign companies to quickly and easily assemble a high-definition digital display supported by a rigid frame and optional aesthetic back panels. STAX is designed for easy plug-and-play installation. Connect your assembled STAX display to power and it will automatically come online via cellular router. The modular architecture of STAX allows your team a lot of flexibility and creativity in terms of production and installation. No sign product is a good product unless it is sellable to your market. The STAX modular system allows sign companies to turn their projects into profit faster. The STAX product allows any sign company to take a big ticket sale item and quickly generate profit by completing the job. We don't want a sign company to have to tie up their cash flow that can take up to 8 weeks. Because of our partnership with GSG, it is not uncommon for an enterprising sign company to go from customer order to completed install in as little as 3 days, something that's unheard of in the digital sign industry. It is central to our delivery of STAX that we provide an elevated level of support that any sign company and their customers should expect from an EMC manufacturer. What does it mean to be supported? Well, we sell an electronic piece of equipment that sits outside and works for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year for up to 10 years. When you or your customers have a sign issue, you expect quick and courteous response from a technical support standpoint. Thank you for stopping by this virtual trade show booth. We would love to talk more with you about how STAX might help the future of your sign company. We have live representatives ready to jump on a chat or a video conference with you right now.